G'day, here's a small deal of pieces of Boulder Opal from central Queensland. It's been wetted and the rule's in millimetres. Not high priced pieces, just nice little pieces to get the feel for cutting boulder. It's got some nice bright flashes in it that's having trouble getting the camera to pick up, but you're seeing the blues and greens there. I think this piece, electric greens, it's only a long skinny stone but still make a nice pendant. This is being ground with a Dremel. Ready to finish off. Basically been pre-shaped, pre-formed. Again, this has been Dremeled. Little bars of colour through here. This piece has just got a little stone on the end there. Anyway, hope you've enjoyed looking at those. Cheers.